Now, you've probably seen 10 to 15 videos on how to use Chat GPT, and depending on who you watch, you're either going to think that, well, this artificial intelligence is going to take over the world, humans are done for, or you know how to do your high school homework. Well, let's just make an assumption real quick that you're not in high school trying to cheat on your book report, but instead you're out there watching Chat GPT videos trying to figure out how to make as much money as possible. Now, what if I told you there is a one-step process to go out there, make unlimited money with zero work and zero effort? Well, of course, yes, I would be lying to you, but there is 3 steps. There's 3 steps that you can use in Chat GPT and a couple other directions right now that you can have this unlimited money hack. Now, it is going to take a major effort on your part, but I will be telling you this. In the future, and I don't believe it's that far off, it will be reduced down to 1 step. So you better take advantage of this while you can. Let's discuss it. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, I'm sure you've seen the videos because I have absolutely seen the videos on how to use ChatGPT to generate as much money as possible, make a few $100s, and the one I love the most, use ChatGPT to generate an income with $0 down. Look, I don't know what it is. I don't know what the fascination is about trying to make money with no effort, no time, and no money involved, but you've got to put forth some sort of an effort at this point. We're not at the point yet where we've got an AI bot in a one-step process to generate wealth. I do believe we will be there. I do believe that one day we'll reach the point where AI is connected to the internet is connected to productivity lines, and productivity lines are connected to all of this, and you will simply say, ChatGPT, or whatever AI bot you're using, generate a business plan. You can review that business plan. You like that business plan, you fund that business plan. Once you fund that business plan, you click start, everything will be automated. Okay, I think we will get there, and then how useless will everybody feel knowing that their job has been taken by some sort of a robot? Well, you have to rise above that level, and that is what we are going to be doing right here. I am going to be giving you 3 steps that you can go through to use ChatGPT right now in order to begin generating income online. Now, you got to pick your poison, right? Do you like drop shipping? Do you like e-commerce? Do you like content creation? Do you like affiliate marketing? Pick your niche and think about that using these 3 steps, because it is as simple as this. If you were to automate the process and you were to say, ChatGPT, create a business, implement that business, and start that business, that's all there is to it. ChatGPT already has all of the information at the internet, or of the internet, on the internet, however you want to look at it, at its fingertips. It's basically a genius that doesn't know how to use the information that it has at its disposal. That's where you come in. You know how to implement it. So step number 1 is generating this idea, or generating the business plan for the niche you're into. I'm going to use content creation. I make a ton of YouTube videos, right? So let's just go down that route. Everybody wants a viral video. So number 1, we have to outline a viral video. Simple as that. If I wanted to tell ChatGPT, create a viral video for me, it currently knows the template for viral videos. It is extremely shareable. It is extremely likable. It plays on people's emotions. It causes them to want to get it out there, whether it is because of bad emotions, good emotions, it is relatable, and so on. ChatGPT knows this. You know this, but it's much, much harder to come up with that idea. So what are you doing from there? Step number 1 is to outline the video. Perfect for you, ChatGPT already does that. Step number 2 is to create or find your trending subject. Now, it is almost impossible to create a trending subject. Very difficult, and that's up for the celebrities and the major influencers and you know, those guys who do have pull to kind of create those trends. We can absolutely follow the trend. Now, how do you currently find what's trending? Chat GPT is disconnected from the internet in a way that it doesn't know what is trending today. Google Trends does. You go to trends.google.com and you can absolutely see what is trending. If you type it in right now, it is most likely going to be some sort of a sporting event, some sort of a political event, something like that. Why? It gets people riled up. They love arguing about politics. They love watching their favorite sports team. They love looking at their celebrities online. So those three topics are typically trending. You can break it down even further. If you're in the cryptocurrency space, the stock market space, the fitness space, whatever it is, trends.google.com will show you what is trending, how many people are searching for it, and whether or not that trend is growing or declining. So, since you can't just say Chat GPT, go create a video based on a trending subject and make it viral. You have to connect these two steps right here. You have to say, okay, well, I know that this sporting figure is trending right now. And I know that this is the current template for a viral video. We need to make it XXXYZ type of things. And from there on, the final thing that you have to kind of put together in your video is the current style that is trending. These three things make it as simple as possible. You've got your template, your outline, you've got your subject that is trending, and you've got the style that is trending. Now, you notice this video right here, just me sitting in my room, talking to you guys, explaining something. It's not what's trending. You know, you've got a lot of text on the screen, and especially these short form content videos that do trend. You've got jump cut, jump cut, jump cut, jump cut, because people's minds, I'm surprised you're still here. People's minds, because of things like Vine and TikTok and Twitter and all of the short form content out there, they can only stay focused for a very short period of time. 10, 20, 30 seconds might be a stretch. So you use that. You guys watch all types of content all day long anyway. You know, if you begin to think, okay, I've watched this video. They've got text on the screen. I watched this video. It cuts to B-roll, 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 person, text, B-roll, person, text, B-roll. There's an algorithm that decides what is useful. And see, you've already got places like YouTube Shorts. Google's using it. TikTok is using it. And these viral videos are almost viral videos tailored to you. These platforms already know how long you spend on each video before you scroll up, which types and which genres of videos you spend the most time watching, and it tailors the videos it shows you to you. Guys, we are on the forefront. We are right here. The frontier for viral video creation is right at our fingertips. The only thing is, you have to connect the three steps. You have to connect the viral outline and make it shareable. You have to connect the trending subject, and you have to connect the viral style. If you can just do those three steps, you are going to be one of the greatest content creators, one of the greatest marketers, one of the greatest, whatever you want to say, influencer in the space. If you can just connect those three steps. But I'm going to tell you this, you better do it now. Because if you don't, how easy is it going to be for the next stage AI to say, okay, I'm connected to Google Trends. I know that this story is currently getting 600,000 searches today. That's my topic. Okay, I know the current outline for a viral video. I can follow that. And okay, I understand the style that people are currently searching for. I can implement it on that right there. And if you connect that sort of knowledge to a video creator, whether it be you, a person, or whether it be an AI-generated video creator, it is the absolute formula for viral content. Guys, you've already got programmers out there watching this video right now thinking, oh my goodness, I know how to create, I know how to connect those 3 steps in a computer-generated way. It might take them a few months, it might take them a few years to code that into existence. But once they do, the content creation game is absolutely going to change. Jump on it right now, get started, implement those 3 simple steps, and I guarantee it is going to create internet wealth like we have not seen before. Everything is at our fingertips. Use it. Do it. Stop dreaming and start doing. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. How simple do you think it will be to connect those 3 steps using AI and Chat GPT? Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks. You got a free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.